Hi folks, my name's Lisa. Welcome to my channel. I'm down here in Baja California Sur, Mexico, in a town called Cerritos, which is just north of Cabo San Lucas. And today I'd like to review a yarn that I have brought with me by Line Brand Yarns called Feels Like Butta. When I traveled down here to Baja, Mexico, I made a big mistake in assuming that there would be a knitting culture down here. There would be at least craft stores or yarn stores so I could buy supplies, but I was so wrong. Luckily, I took a stash of yarn from my home in Northern California to bring with me, and one of the yarns that I brought is by Line Brand Yarn called Feels Like Butta, and that's what I'm going to talk about today. Here we have Line Brand's Feels Like Butta yarn. It does feel like butter. It's 100% polyester and it's machine washable, super soft. They say on the website that it has the feel of chenille without the struggles, and it's true that there's no struggles. It's really easy to knit up. There's loads of colors to choose from. I think right now they currently have 17 colors to choose from, and I've been able to use this yarn with patterns that don't normally call for medium weight yarn, but I've altered the patterns and they've worked out just fine. Let me show you what I've done. Here's the scarf I knit. I did this on the drive down to Mexico. I think it took us like 5 days to get to Mexico, and I needed a project that was mindless and that was easy to knit up, which is a garter stitch scarf. I just took one skein of the Line Brand Feels Like Butta and I just knit it up to a width I wanted, and then I just finished the whole skein and then that was done. Super easy, super mindless, and I'm glad I made this because it was cold at night and we were camping in the evenings, so I had this to wear to keep me warm because I didn't bring a lot of warm clothes because I thought I'd be super warm the whole time. Didn't think about nighttime in the desert. Once I arrived in Cerritos Beach, I needed another pattern to use while sitting at the beach and enjoying the sun and the waves. So I found a pattern by Heidi Kermeyer called Sunshine Coast. It's this really cute pullover, minimalist style, and I really wanted to make it, but the pattern called for fingering weight yarn, and this is a medium weight yarn, a little thicker, but I just loved how the scarf turned out, so I decided to try the Line Brand yarn Feels Like Butta for the Sunshine Coast pattern, and let me show you how it turned out. Here's Heidi Kermeyer's Sunshine Coast pullover made in Line Brand's Feels Like Butta. I love how it turned out. It's not blocked yet. I have to wait till I get home to block it because I don't have any equipment here and there's nothing in the condo to block it. But I am going to wear it all winter here, and when I get back home to Northern California, I'll continue wearing it, and it's just going to be a go-to pullover. Thank you, Heidi. Thank you, Line Brand. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more weekly tips and reviews, and happy knitting!